if you have leftover chickpeas. And your brownies need a twist, chickpeas are the secret ingredient you've been missing. Let's transform chickpeas into delicious, fudgy brownies. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line an 8x 8-inch pan with parchment paper. Next, grab your food processor or blender. Add 1 can of drained and rinsed chickpeas, 2 large eggs, half a cup of your favorite nut butter, and a third cup of maple syrup. Throw in a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Blend until it's super smooth. No lumps allowed. Fold in a 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. Then pour the batter into your prepared pan and smooth it out. Add some extra chocolate chips on top because why not? Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Let them cool completely before slicing. Enjoy your gluten-free, flourless chickpea brownies. Pro tip, add Nutella swirls for extra goodness. Like and subscribe for more leftover recipes. If you love the fudgy chickpea brownies, wait till you try this no-bake chickpea cookie dough. It's edible, safe, and incredibly easy to make. Let's dive in. First, gather your ingredients. 1 can of drained and rinsed chickpeas, half a cup of peanut butter or almond butter, a 1/3 cup of maple syrup, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of almond flour if you want a bit more texture. And don't forget those chocolate chips. In your food processor or blender, add the chickpeas, nut butter, maple syrup, vanilla, and salt. If you're using almond flour, add that now too. Blend until it's smooth and creamy. If the mixture's too thick, add a splash of plant milk to help it along. Give it a taste test. Adjust the sweetness or add a pinch more salt if needed. Now, stir in the chocolate chips by hand. You can eat this cookie dough straight from the bowl, roll it into little bites and chill them, sandwich it between graham crackers, or even serve it with apple slices or pretzels as a dip. This no-bake chickpea cookie dough is a versatile and delightful treat. Enjoy guilt-free snacking, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative recipes.